Look at that amazing cat. Ayan, so he loved to eat the corn. The corn smells good to him. So attractive smell to the cat. Ooh, amazing. Here, Childu, he is watching to him. Mm. Mm. So smells good to him and very nice to taste to him. Look at that. Ooh. His favorite. The corn now is his favorite, not the rat. He loves to eat the corn. Look at her child. She is watching to him. That kitten is girls. She loves to watch her father.
Tanding si mama.
At kay laba-laba. Wow. Look at his child. She's watching while her father is eating the corn.